Welcome to my home garden, Tamara's garden. This is my YouTube channel where I put all my plants, my house plants with love together. So let's see the plants that I have in my garden. And also today I will be sharing and showing you the plants that I have in my garden. Most of them are house plants, some flowering plants, and also you're welcome to see part of it. And I will be updating the second part of the video. And also do not forget to watch that too. So soon I'll be doing that, and today enjoy the video of my house plants. So let's start. So at my entrance, I have the money pothos plant. Made a topiary of that, but you can see now the whole basket is full with the leaves. But time to time I have to do pruning because there are slugs during the rainy season and they have damaged the plant. So here I have these pandanus plants. There are two huge pots. When you're putting pandanus plants, make sure to put them in huge pots. And here I have one orchid plant. Under that you can see it's in a clay pot. Plant is a clay pot. And here I have my anthurium collection, some of the anthurium plants. And also I have some mogra plants growing. Here I get sunlight and it's also very less. And here I have the cypress vine on top of that. And as I said, I have another pandanus plant growing. And under that we see this aglonema variety. And a huge pot, and I have many plants in that. This is one of the best house plants, friends. You can grow them very easily. I have some dracaena growing, and under that I have this aurelia plant, one variety, and also I put this cutting and it's also growing well. Look at this purple leaf. And here I have the other variety of aurelia. I really do love this. And here I have this beautiful prayer plant and also another green plant. And here I have the umbrella plant. And in a huge pot I have this syngonium growing. And see, it's a huge plant. And here I have some Chinese evergreen plants. That is also very healthy growing. And another cutting of umbrella. And here I have another variety of dracaena. They are all in the semi-shade. And here I have the philodendron variety. And look at this beauty. Their leaves are looking so attractive. Croton variety here growing in the ground. I had it in a pot, but I transferred it to the ground. Then a plant growing back again. It got to the rain, too much of rain, it got damaged. And this needs some treatment. It needs to be in the shade. And here I have some hanging pots. Marble queen pothos. Another variety of philodendron in a hanging plant. Varieties of pothos. You can see ticuma flowers all over my garden. Look at these varieties of money pothos plant. This beautiful philodendron. It's getting up the parapet wall with the aerial roots.